Myself Sandhya. Today we have to discuss about nutrition in bacteria. Bacteria need various energy sources and many macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients such as carbon, oxygen and nitrogen, etc. Micronutrients such as phosphorus, sulfur, iron, etc. Some bacteria are able to produce their own food while some are not. On the basis of that, bacteria majorly divided into two types, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs means auto means self and troph means food. Autotrophs are those bacteria who synthesize their own food. For the production of food, bacteria require energy sources. Depending on their energy sources, they can be of two types, photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs, photo means light, auto means self and troph means food. Bacteria who synthesize their food using sunlight called photoautotrophs. They use solar energy to synthesize ATP through photosynthesis. ATP is necessary to carry out all cellular functions to utilize light like plant. They also need chlorophyll like pigment which is called bacterial pigment. Example, cyanobacteria. Next one is chemoautotrophs. Chemo means chemo means chemical compounds. Bacteria who utilize various compounds in place of light for energy to produce their own food called chemoautotrophs. They oxidize electron donor and that oxidizing energy converts into ATP which becomes the energy sources for them. Example, nitrosomonas. Besides energy sources of bacteria also need carbon and electron sources for the production of food. To obtain nutrition, bacteria can use of organic, inorganic compounds. Organic compounds have carbon-hydrogen bonds while inorganic do not. On the basis of use of organic and inorganic compounds, bacteria can be further divided into two subgroups. They are lithotrophs and organotrophs. Lithotrophs, if inorganic compound is utilized as electron donor, bacteria are called lithotrophs. Again, lithotrophs can be subdivided into two divisions, photolithoautotrophs. Bacteria synthesized their food using sunlight as energy source and inorganic compound as electron donor called photoautotrophs. Chemolithoautotrophs means bacteria synthesize their food using inorganic compound called chemolithotrophs. They do not require light energy. They oxidize inorganic compounds like hydrogen sulfide and ammonia. Example, nitrosomonas, ammonia oxidizing bacteria. Organotrophs, if organic compounds are utilized as electron donor, bacteria called organotrophs can be divided into two types, photoorganotrophs and chemoorganotrophs. Photoorganotrophs, bacteria use sunlight and organic compounds called photoorganotrophs. Example, some species from purple non-sulfur bacteria group. Organotrophs are two types. They are chemoorganotrophs. They utilize organic compounds as nutrients and recover chemical energy supply to make their own food. The vast majority of non-photosynthetic bacteria are chemoorganotrophs. Heterotrophs. Hetero means different. When bacteria do not synthesize their own food, in fact obtain nutrition from other sources present in surroundings called heterotrophs. They utilize living or dead organisms to meet their nutritional requirements. Heterotrophs are basically pathogenic bacteria of human beings, animals and plants. Heterotrophs can be subdivided into two categories, same as photoheterotrophs and autoheterotrophs. They need sunlight. Photoheterotrophs, they need sunlight for energy but take nutrition from organic compounds present in surrounding. These organic compounds satisfy their carbon and electron requirements. Example, Chloroflexus auranticus. This bacteria primarily utilize organic material such as possible energy source, consuming their organic byproducts of cyanobacteria that it commonly associated with. However, it may also utilize chemotrophs. They don't require sunlight for energy. Their need for energy, carbon source and electron donor are fulfilled by organic compounds only. These organic compounds are provided by their host. Example, Clostridium. Mixotrophs, bacteria that have combination of both trophic levels, autotrophy and heterotrophy, called mixotrophs. Example, Paracoccus plantotorpus bacteria derived